Green is known for its associative quality to nature in the sense that trees, plants and grass are green. It's fresh, natural, uplifting and vibrant colour. Because of this, the colour green has a relaxing quality, and it's a colour which is often used in places where this feeling is best evoked. It's common for green to be used on the walls of hospitals, and by its definition, the room where people sit before appearing on a TV show is coloured green and is reflectively called a green room. Dark green is considered as a masculine colour and is often associated with male-focused luxury goods. The colour purple also signifies luxury and wealth. It's considered romantic and spiritual. It's a colour worn by Roman Catholic bishops. It's elegant, it's uplifting, and is associated with peace, mystery, wisdom, femininity, and is considered royal. Purple is calming, re-energising, and encourages imagination and creativity. Because of its spiritual essence, purple is also considered magical. Orange is primarily associated with happiness, warmth and enthusiasm. It's representative of the sun. It's vibrant, energetic and stimulating. Orange is associated with bright outlook and success, good health, fun and fascination. It's an important symbolic colour of Buddhism and Hinduism. It is a colour of autumn and is also suggestive of fire.